Well, it's not always fun and games here aboard Witness on our great loop. Occasionally something like this happens.
Yo ho ho in a bottle of rum, hoist the mainsail, here I come. Ain't no room on board for the ensign sea. You're my witness, I'm your mutiny.
Actually, this has been a slow nagging problem for the last 6 or 7 months, but as happens at Dock Tales on the Dock, we all commiserate about our boat woes, and a guy, a looper, a few boats down, said, hey, you ought to try this. And so that's what I'm going to do today, but that involves disassembling this whole head to get to 2 O-rings that are in here on the flusher shaft assembly. So let's dive into it. Turn the water off. There it is. Those 2 O-rings are what are leaking. Clean this up, take it to Ace Hardware, get those 2, lubricate them with super lube, put it back in. We should have a nice quiet head. Yay. Alright, back from the hardware store, brand new O-rings installed with super lube to aid in sealing them. Also going to put a little bit of super lube inside the shaft hole as we install this. So, the first seal says this side up, that side goes up, and the ball rotates up and it's going to seal against that. So I don't know if it's best practice, but we've heard several folks just applying a little bit of lubricant to the underside in that area of that portion of the seal. Maybe that'll help, maybe not, don't know. Maybe just around there too. So that's the first part that hits that seal as you rotate it. And be sure to install this side up. No side up on this, except that the hole needs to line up, the overflow hole. There's two versions of this. Comes in an overflow version and another, and a non-overflow version has the hole or doesn't have the hole. So be sure you order the right one. On before I hold down. Flush. Lever cover is on. It's holding water. It's not making a hissing sound. That's the O-rings we just replaced. And the flush. And that is it for this job. Not too bad.